This faceless YouTube channel is making up to $17,000 a month by just creating and uploading YouTube shorts. And the best part is, it's all done by AI. The titles, the descriptions, the hashtags, and the content were all generated using AI. Here's one of their latest videos. Now, as you can see, it's just relatable and shareable content. And I'm going to show you how to create over 8,000 of this absolutely for free in no time. All we're going to use is AI to make this happen and to automate everything. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money online using Canva and Chatgpt. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now that we're inside Chatgpt, you're gonna want to go ahead and sign up for an account, and when you're logged in, you're gonna go ahead and see this screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the exact prompt that I'm going to show you in a second right along this video with the secondary prompt, and it's already engineered to give you exactly what we're after. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that prompt, and let me walk you through this prompt right here. So basically, we are going to ask for it to create 50 sets of facts, and sets being the topic, the part 1 and the part 2, just like you saw in the example video. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a bunch of examples, and I'm also asking it to format in a way that we can copy and paste this into our next tool. So it becomes really easy, and it's going to give you a table with that breakdown step by step, and I also ask it to adjust with a couple of different facts. So right here we have crush, psychology, relationships, boy, girl, and so on. And of course, you could go ahead and change this fact if you want to. For example, if you want to go ahead and add some car facts, you could just go ahead and type that in. Maybe if you're into Earth or geology, just go ahead and type Earth facts or planet or space, whatever you feel is right for you. That way, we're gonna go ahead and get a really nice variety of facts. And I also made it very specifically focused on stuff that's very relatable, so in that way, it's highly shareable, highly engagement driven. This is going to be exactly what we're going after, and what you typically see on YouTube that you would otherwise interact with. So we have our prompt that's been engineered quite a few times, and then all of our examples is just right here. So he has a sense of what we're after with a bunch of different variations, and so all you're going to do is to go ahead and copy and paste it and hit send message, and we're gonna go ahead and let it generate. You just want to go ahead and get a quick check, is that what you're after? In this case, this is exactly what we're after. We have our column 1 for different types of facts, our column 2 for the starting point, and our column 3 for the end. Kind of like the punchline. So this is going to generate us 50 facts. To start, you can just go ahead and adjust this number. I wouldn't recommend to go beyond 50. Somewhere between 30 and 50 is the sweet spot to get the best quality of Chatgpt. If you ask for 100 facts or 200 facts, it may or may not give it to you to begin with, but it may also give you a lot of garbage because it's trying to fit in a lot of facts into a one short prompt. Whereas if you ask for a similar amount, it does focus more on the quality within that. So here's the first 50. And if you want to go ahead and add additional facts, you could just go ahead and copy the second prompt, in which this one right here. Just say come up with 50 more using the same specification. Do not repeat the previous one that we get. I'm not going to have you sit here and watch me generate thousands of videos worth of prompts, so we're gonna start with this 50 prompts right here. And then we're gonna go ahead and move along, and you could just go ahead and follow the steps. So once you're here, you just want to go ahead and sign up, or you could just go ahead and use any email if you have one. So this video is actually just a 2-step video, so this is the last step that we're doing. So once you're here, you want to go ahead and search for YouTube video. So we're just gonna go ahead and search YouTube Shorts right here, and just go ahead and click on the blank YouTube Shorts. We're gonna go ahead and basically design one page, and we're gonna go ahead and import every data that we have into this, and it's gonna go ahead and make the entire video for us. The only thing that we need to do here is to go ahead and design our text, to go ahead and design our background, to go ahead and put some music, and that should be it. So it's really easy to do those. The only thing that you need to click right here is the elements, and you should go ahead and find a lot of elements right here. For example, if you're into waterfalls, just go ahead and search waterfall and it should go ahead and pop right out. So if you have chosen your preferred video, just go ahead and drag your video inside your canvas right here and it should go ahead and pop right in. You could just go ahead and adjust this if you want to. As you can see, this video is around 1 minute long. This is obviously not what we wanted. Obviously, most of YouTube Shorts goes around for 10 seconds or maybe 7 seconds depending on your style, but I'm just gonna go ahead and target 7 seconds since that is in the middle. I'm just gonna go ahead and play it out for you guys, and as you can see, it is high resolution, so feel free to choose any videos right inside Canva. After that, you'll want to go ahead and click on text right here. You could just go ahead and add a preset if you want to, but I'm not gonna go ahead and do that inside here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on add text box. After that, just go ahead and drag this upwards right here because this is going to be your topic text. As you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and change this one into topic so we can go ahead and understand it more. Of course, you will need to go ahead and edit this out. So right here we have a bunch of options to go ahead and edit this. For example, you have your fonts. You could just go ahead and choose your preferred prompt right here. There's millions upon millions of prompts. Or if you don't see your prompt right here, you could just go ahead and upload it by clicking on upload a prompt. I'm just gonna go ahead and choose a random one. For example, we have this one. I think this is really nice, and of course you could go ahead and adjust your size right here, and I think this is perfect for me. I'm just gonna go ahead and adjust this, and of course you could just go ahead and add more style into this. For example, you have your shadows, outlines, and more. You have your background, so in order to find those effects, just go ahead and click on effects right here and you will go ahead and see the styles. For example, you have your shadows, lift, outline, background, and more. For myself, I'm gonna go ahead and add some shadows into this to make it more realistic. Of course, you could just go ahead and edit this out. I'm gonna go ahead and input color black into this one. As you can see, you could adjust the offset, direction, blur, and transparency. For the second one, I'm gonna go ahead and choose another one right here. For example, I want to go ahead and add an outline because the text can get really hard to read, maybe if you're reading it from a mobile phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some outline right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some thickness into this. I'm gonna go ahead and also change the color. Once again, this is where our topic will pop out. And of course, we also have our part 1 and part 2. Just go ahead and personalize your text once more like we have done in the topic. Just go ahead and add some designs, just go ahead and add some effects, and you should be good to go. So the second thing that you must do is to go ahead and change the edges of your text. For example, if a text pops up right here, it's gonna go ahead and fill up the entire screen because the text can only go at this corners right here at this square. What you can go ahead and do, just go ahead and drag at the square right here, and it should probably at the edge of your screen. So in that way, when a long text pops up, it should go ahead and fill out this entire screen right here. You could also go ahead and do the same thing for the part 1. So now that we adjusted our text box, the only thing left to do now inside here is to go ahead and show the timings in order for the two of them to not overlap. So to do that, just go ahead and right click on the part 1 first and just go ahead and click on show timing. So right here, the first part will go ahead and show the entire video. We basically don't want that, and you want to go ahead and cut it off at the middle. Right here, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off around 3.5 seconds, and basically the second part of the text will pop right out after the first part has disappeared. So once again, just go ahead and click on show timing once more, and since I've put this one at 3.5 seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and put this around right here. As you can see, it has a little bit of overlap, so you want to go ahead and edit it out, and let's go ahead and play it once more. And as you can see, it's now perfect. So the only thing left to do now is to import every data that we have inside ChatGPT into Canva. So in order to do that, you want to go ahead and click on apps right here and just go ahead and search bulk create. just go ahead and click on the first result right here, and it should pop up right here at the sidebar of your screen. So just go ahead and click on bulk create and click on enter data manually. After that, just go back to our ChatGPT right here and basically go ahead and copy everything. And just paste it inside right here. So it's now categorized into topic, part 1 and part 2. The only thing left to do now is to go ahead and click on done. And it's gonna go ahead and ask us to connect data to your elements. So for the topic, we basically want to go ahead and connect this into the topic right here. Just go ahead and click on it, right click, and go ahead and click connect data, and go ahead and click on topic. And for the part 1, just go ahead and click on part 1, connect data, part 1, and do the same thing for part 2. So once it's all connected, just go ahead and click on continue, and just go ahead and generate 46 designs. So right now it's saying that I can't generate design because you're not the owner of some elements. Just go ahead and change your background if this happens to you, and you should be good to go. So this is basically what I ended up with. You have your deep fact right here, you have your part 1, and if I actually go ahead and play this, it will go ahead and show the part 2. The only thing that you need to do is to go ahead and add some music when you actually upload it inside YouTube Shorts. And as you can see, I now have multiple videos right here that is ready to post on YouTube Shorts. I could just go ahead and play another example right here. And as you can see, it works perfectly well. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.